So right here is where I tried to introduce the model Jenai and tell you guys that I was going to be shooting with the Sigma 16mm f1.4, but it was extremely windy, so the audio came out horrible. But nonetheless, here we go. I didn't have anybody to help me shoot the behind the scenes to this video, but basically this was a vintage photo shoot, so we're doing 3 outfits, and the first location I picked was this building with these arches in the front. I think it's abandoned at this time, so it kind of fit the vibe perfectly, like this 1960s type vibe. And basically this whole time we was just trying to fight the wind. The wind was blowing her hair everywhere. Here I am trying to incorporate some of those arches into the photo shoot. I think the pictures that we got here are my favorite for this entire shoot. So to finish off this location, I try to get a shot sitting next to this little flower pot that's in front of the building. And I'm just trying to get the right angle to make everything line up. For the second location, we actually planned to shoot at the building in this parking lot, but we found this spot by this trash pile that was just like so perfect. It was laid out like somebody intended to do a photo shoot here. So we said forget the building and shot the whole outfit in this area. The biggest problem with this spot was that it smelled really bad, so we were just trying to hurry up and get the shots to get out as fast as possible. Right next to the pile of trash was this abandoned car, so we went on ahead and took some pictures next to that as well. For the third outfit and third location, this is like a little greenery area between an apartment complex. So we took some pictures with all the flowers and everything because she's in a brown outfit. So I wanted a very natural and earthy look to it. Main thing I'm focusing on when I'm taking the pictures is positioning the background where I want. Once I have the model in the shot, then I just move around until the background lines up and just makes everything look nice and cohesive. For the last shots, we just shot right on the walkway, and the bricks make a nice leading line to the model, and you can see more of the complex that we're actually shooting in. Here's a quick recap of all the pictures that we took on this shoot. So be sure to go follow Jenai on Instagram. I will link all of her information down below. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys next time.